Welcome today to our YouTube channel. I wish you a happy day. We have a wonderful offer that cannot be missed. Are you in the market for a premium Samsung phone? If so, check out the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus with 512 gigabytes of storage. It's on Amazon right now for just $8.99, down 20% from its $11.99 list price, representing a significant $220.99 saving. This unlocked device is marked as the #1 new release by Amazon in the cell phones category. If you're interested, act fast as it's a limited time deal. The Galaxy S25 Plus comes packed with AI features under the umbrella of Galaxy AI. Capabilities include multiple tasks with one ask, which brings Google Gemini integration for multi-app commands, Now Brief, which proactively gives you information you need to start the day, Audio Eraser to remove distracting sounds from your videos, and advanced portrait features. Powering these features is the Qualcomm SM8750AB Snapdragon 8 Elite 3 nm processor, which handles all sorts of tasks efficiently, including gaming, translation, and photo editing. Alongside the processor is 512 gigabytes of storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM. The S25 Plus uses a 6.7-inch QHD+ ProScaler display, which delivers vibrant visuals thanks to its use of dynamic AMOLED 2X with 3120 by 1440 resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. Regarding camera setup, the S25 Plus has an AI camera with 50-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 10-megapixel telephoto with OIS. There is also a 12-megapixel front camera. This camera setup is capable of 8K video recording, which is impressive. Finally, you get long battery life with the 4,900 mAh and 45-watt fast charging support, so you don't need to wait long for it to recharge. If you're an Android user looking to upgrade to a flagship phone without paying the full price, this deal is for you. If you have an eligible phone to trade in, there is an option to do so to claim up to $725 on the upgrade with Amazon.com gift card credit. If you're excited by AI, but your current phone doesn't support many AI features, this phone could also be a smart choice. Its display is also great for media consumption, and the processor is robust. Finally, if you have a lot of files to store, the 512 gigabytes of storage should be ample. Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus Icy Blue, $899, Amazon US. MSRP, $1,199.99. A link to purchase the product from Amazon below the video in the description. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and interact with the video because we will continue to present the best Amazon offers on a daily basis.